Good morning, friends. Meet again with Miss Asmi in our English class. Today, Miss Asmi will give you video review for the weekly test. So in this video, I will give you all the correct answer for our weekly test. Okay, let's start with number 1 until number 5. Okay, for the questions number 1 until 5 are based on the story of Ahmeng. So before you answer, of course, you need to read Ahmeng's story. Okay, let's see number 1. Where was Ahmeng born? The answer for number 1 you will find in the first paragraph. So you need to read the first paragraph. In this paragraph, you can find she was born in the jungle of Sumatra. So the answer for number 1 is Sumatra. And then for number 2, Ahmeng had her first baby when she was blah blah blah. The answer for number 2 is in the second paragraph. Okay, in the second paragraph, we will find sentence when she was 11 years old, she had her first baby. So the answer for number 2 is 11 years old. Okay, now let's see number 3. Ahmeng is well known because she blah blah blah. The answer for number 3 will be in the third paragraph. Okay, we can read the third paragraph. It says, Ahmeng is well known both in Singapore and abroad because she has appeared in several films. So Ahmeng is well known because she has appeared in several films. So the answer for number 3 is Ahmeng is well known because she has appeared in many films. Okay, number 4. When was the first time Ahmeng came to the zoo? The answer for number 4 is in the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, it says that she was born in the jungle of Sumatra and came to the zoo in 1971. So the answer for number 1 is in 1971. So the answer is this. Number 5. Ahmeng had to be fed with 2 steel clams when she blah blah blah. The answer for number 5 is in the third paragraph. In the third paragraph says, she fell and broke her arms. She ended up in the hospital and had to be fed with steel clamps to help the bones heal faster. Okay, so the answer for number 5 is Ahmeng had to be fed with 2 steel clamps when she fell and broke her arms. Alright, friends, let's move to number 6 until 20. For number 6, Richard is an ice skating athlete. Every time he wants to go to the ice skating field for practice, he needs to prepare things and clothes to wear. What are they? Remember, ice skating field is a cold place. So all the things and clothes that Richard needs to prepare are jacket, gloves, ice skating shoes, and earmuffs. Why the answer is not the first? Because Richard doesn't need sun hat, life vest, and sundress. Why the answer is not the second answer? Because Richard doesn't need sundress, jersey, and even sunglasses. Okay, the answer is the third answer. Okay, now number 7. Julia has a plan to spend her holiday at the beach. Remember, friends, at the beach. What are the things and clothes that she needs? The answer is the second. So Julia needs sundress, sandals, swimming costume, and sun hat. Why the first answer is wrong? Because Julia doesn't need boots and jacket. Why the third answer is wrong? Because Julia doesn't need running shoes, jersey, and even mitten. Okay, now number 8. To keep my body healthy, I have to do some exercise like run, cycling, and jogging once or twice a week. What do I need to prepare before my exercise? So I want to go to do some sport or an exercise. So what do I need to prepare? The answer is I need to prepare tracksuit, socks, running shoes, and wristband. Why the second answer is wrong? Because for sport, I don't need boots and slippers. Why the third answer is wrong? Because I don't need night dress for sport. Okay, friends, now number 9. There are how many pair of trousers in the picture? Okay, there are how many pair of trousers in the picture? Okay, let's count. There is one pair of gray trousers, and then there is one pair of brown trousers. So there are 2 pairs of trousers. Okay, now number 10. There are how many pair of earrings in the picture? The answer is there are 5 pairs of earrings. Number 11. There are how many pair of shorts in the picture below? Okay, let's count together. There is 1 pair of blue shorts. There is 1 pair of brown shorts. There is 1 pair of black shorts. And there is 1 pair of white shorts. So there are total 4 pairs of shorts. Okay, now socks. There are how many pair of socks in the picture below? This is for number 12, okay? There are how many pair of socks? The answer is there are 6 pairs of socks. Number 13. The words table, bag, bottle, and book are a group of noun. Why? Because table, bag, bottle, and book are the name of thing. That's why we call them noun. Number 14. The words read, cook, hit, and swim are a group of verb. Why they are verb? Because read, cook, hit, and swim are activity that we do. So they are verb. Number 15. The words sad, happy, pretty, and angry are a group of adjective. Why they are adjective? Because sad, happy, pretty, and angry are words that we use to explain people. Okay, let's move to number 16. My friend Annalisa, blah blah blah, a very fast sport car. The answer is has. Why do we use has? Because Annalisa is the same with subject pronouns she. That's why we use has. Number 17. Julia and Lily, blah blah blah, the same school bag in the classroom. The answer is have. Why is it have? Because Julia and Lily are the same with subject pronouns they. That's why we use have. Number 18. Miss Asmi and Miss Aulia. Remember, Miss Asmi and Miss Aulia are two people. Okay? Miss Asmi and Miss Aulia, blah blah blah, a big pencil case that they always bring to our class. So for this number, we use have. Why do we use have? Because Miss Asmi and Miss Aulia are the same with subject pronouns they. That's why we use have. Now number 19. Number 19 is a little bit special because we have to find out two answers. Okay, so for number 19, we have two answers. Ricky, blah blah blah, two pencils, and I want to borrow one of it because I don't blah 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 any pencil. So we have to find out for Ricky and for I. Let's take a look for Ricky first. Ricky is the same with subject pronouns he. So for Ricky we use has. Ricky has two pencils and I want to borrow one of it because for I we use have. I don't have any pencils. So the answer must be has and have. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Ricky has two pencils and I want to borrow one of it because I don't have any pencil. The last number for multiple choice, 20. The cat, blah blah blah, 3 colors on its body. Okay, the color blah 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 3 colors on its body. We are talking about an animal. Animal the same with it. So we use has. So the correct answer is has. Okay, now let's move to the essay. We have 5 numbers of essay, and for each number we have 5 points. Okay, number 21. For number 21, I need you to write down the comparative adjective of tall, small, clean, tidy, and angry. Okay, so the comparative adjective of tall is taller than, and the comparative adjective of small is smaller than. Be careful with the spelling, friends. The comparative adjective of clean is cleaner than. Don't forget than, because without than, your comparative adjective will not complete. So you have to write down taller than, smaller than, cleaner than. Okay, friends, the comparative adjective of tidy is tidier than. Remember, for the adjective that is N with letter Y, we need to erase the letter Y and change it become I. So the answer is tidier. The tidy with I, okay, tidier than. It's also for number 5 because the adjective angry is N with letter Y. So the answer, the comparative adjective of angry is angrier with letter I, angrier than. Okay, friends, so these are the complete and correct answer. So if you just answer with taller, smaller, cleaner, tidier, angrier, then your score will only 2.5 because they are not complete. Okay, now number 22, connector words. Okay, connect the 2 sentences below with a correct connector word. Send me your picture. You arrive in Singapore. For this sentence, for these sentences, we use connector words and when. When. We use connector words when. So the answer have to send me your picture when you arrived in Singapore. Okay, so the correct answer is send me your picture when you arrived in Singapore. Okay, let's move to number 23. Another connector words. I want to eat tuna pizza. I want to drink. There are 2 activities that we want to do at the same time. We are going to connect 2 activities. So the connector words that we use is and. The sentence will be I want to eat tuna pizza and drink Coke. Okay, so this is the correct sentence. I want to eat tuna pizza and drink Coke. 24. Another connector word. She need to take her bottle. She is thirsty after sport subject. There is a cause sentence and there is a reason sentence. So, to connect cause and reason, we need to use connector word because. So the sentence will be, she need to take her bottle because she is she is thirsty after sport subject. So the complete sentence is, she need to take her bottle because she is thirsty after sport subject. Okay, friends, 5 points if your answer is correct for this number. The last number, 25, still about connector words. I borrowed my friend's textbook. We studied English yesterday. For this number, we use when. So the complete sentence will be, I borrowed my friend's textbook when we study English yesterday. Okay, so the complete sentence is, I borrowed my friend's textbook when we studied English yesterday. Alright, friends. So, those are all the correct answer for our weekly test. I wish that I can find many 100 score from all of you. Okay, but don't worry. I believe that if you already study hard, then all of your score that you get is a good score. Okay, right after this video, I will also give you the list of your score so you can find out what is your score. So stay tuned, friends, and wait for your score. Bye bye. See you again with Miss Asmi next meeting.